Good day everyone. Our topic for today is weight and balance. This is my problem and this is my TCDS. Using the provided TCDS and the standard gear station, calculate the following: empty weight CG, total loaded weight, final loaded CG, and determine if the aircraft is within the maximum takeoff weight and CG range limit specified in the TCDS. First, we need to solve the empty weight. The formula of the empty weight is total moment over total weight. To find the total moment and total weight, we will use this table. The nose gear is 910 and the main gear is 3940. The arm 32.3 and the arm of the main gear is 163.16. To solve the moment, we multiply this weight and the arm. So 910 multiplied by 32.3 is 29,393 and the same 644,584. Now we are going to solve the total of the weight for 850, same as moment 73. After solving the total weight and the total moment, we can substitute. Total moment is 673,977 divided by the total weight, which is 4850. 4850 and 138.86. Next, we are going to solve the total loaded and the CG. Since we are done with empty weight, we just write it here. Now, we add the payload, the crew, passengers, fuel, baggage, and oil to the empty weight. Then, we are going to substitute this problem. Then, to solve this moment, we multiply the weight and arm. Now, after completing this table, we are going to total the weight and the moment. The total loaded weight is 6,198.75 and the moment is 867,262.13. Now, we can substitute the weight and the moment here in this formula. The total moment is 867 262.13. The total loaded weight is 6,198.75. The answer of this is 139.90 or 91. And this is our CG, and our total loaded weight is 6,198.75. To address the loading imbalance of this Cessna 401, we first identified that while the aircraft is under its maximum takeoff weight at 6,198.75 pounds, the current center of gravity of 139.91 inches is nearly 12 inches forward the required limit of 151.7 inches. To fix this, we must utilize the weight shift formula to determine how much mass need to move out to reach a safe flight envelope. Next is to identify the given total weight is 698.95 pounds. 698.75 pounds. And the desired CG is equal to 11.79 inches. We are moving the baggage from the nose compartment station 71 to the aft baggage compartment station 246.5. To solve for the distance, we are going to minus the 24.5 minus 71 equals 175.5. The unknown for this given is the weight shifted. Then we are going to substitute this given in this formula. Weight over the total weight, which is the 6,198.75 equals the CG is 11.79 over the weight shift distance, that is 175.5. Then we are going to cross multiply it, and this. Wait ko 11.79 multiplied to 6 198.75 divided to 175. 175.5. 11.79 times 6198.75 is 73.26, and we are going to divide it from 175.5. And the answer for weight shifted is 416.4 pounds. And that's all. Thank you for watching.